You want to talk about that a little bit? The bait game? Good Lord. I had no idea how effective this was.
Oh man, the bait game is crazy. Let me give a disclaimer. This is the problem with guys too. They're always looking for an easy way out. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, obviously, of course, it is bait game, but that doesn't mean you can be sloppy as shit,
Mhm.
or don't have no charisma. I could just flip it out like this, boom. So basically, this women do choose on men, but also they don't like rejection. So
Mhm.
what the dog does is puts them in the pace to talk to you without the fear of rejection.
Mhm.
That's what it does. So don't just think. So if you're a fly, good-looking dude, women will want to talk to you, but if the dog is giving them a reason to, it's
Mhm.
kind of like being a bartender. Why do you think bartenders get so much? Put it in the chat if you know why. I know why. Well, it's because you are put in a position for women to talk to you for no reason. If I'm a bartender, the same woman that I see on the street is not gonna come up and talk to me. She may look and do all of this stuff to try to get my attention, but unless I bite first, she might not do anything.
Yep.
But see, if I'm behind the table, oh, I had a long day. This is me. I'm bartender. Oh, what happened? Boom. So it's like they cold approach you. Then on top of that, she's getting drunk. So even if she don't like you at first, after the third drink, she tells you all of her problems. You're gonna be cute, and you guys have connected. And so women are real nurturing and like that. They like cute dogs too. Don't get no fucking pit bull and think you're just about to be getting like. It's one thing to meet the woman, but the woman needs to see you interact with the dog too. That's
Yeah.
another gem. So you don't be embarrassed to hold your dog. You know what I'm saying? You want to be a tough guy.
Mhm.
You want to keep your masculine frame and you think that it's not okay to like kiss your dog and you're tripping. People don't understand. People take the alpha a little too far. They don't. It's like, yeah, I'm a man. I got to be a man. No, bro, you got to mix it up. That's why I call it finesse game. Give them both, bro. You don't pick one. There's more than one ways of sticking a cat. The best way is to have the women see you interact with your dog and stuff, man. Because it shows them it's like you're a father to them. It's like nurturing. That makes a woman wet, bro. It makes women wet to see you do it like that. Some people just buy dogs as like protectors, or they just have them because they don't want to be bored in the house by themselves, right? But see,
Mhm.
like when you're a teacher, and especially when you teach small kids, when I know him, I can look into his eyes and know how he feels. I can tell the sounds he make, what he wants. Just like if I take him for a walk without a leash, and
Mhm.
sometimes he'll kind of stand off, like, "No, Dad, I'm not ready yet." Just in it's so subtle. He
Mhm.
won't even like stop. He'll look like, "Come on," and you
Mhm.
just learn that from teaching kids, because when you teach small kids, there's so many effective ways. Like like people don't understand. Like I always had that issue too. Like people look at you like just because you're good at girls, you can't be good at something else. Dude, I'm a fire teacher, bro.
Mhm.
Like I get called on to help other, you know what I mean? So if I got a kid right here and I want this boy to do something, I can get him to do some by talking to him. I'm going to talk to him and make him do what I want him to do through this person. So he ain't listening. Let me go put him on ice. I'm going to go give him positive reinforcement. It's going to make this kid jealous. Then I'm going to go give negative reinforcement to this one. It's going
Mhm.
to make them like, damn, he ain't paying it. Then he's going to give me positive reinforcement and do something to get my attention. So I wanted his attention, right? But I didn't address him. But he see me address these two kids. Now he wants to get my attention. See, that's finesse game right there. That's what you do with
Mhm.
women. You know what I'm saying? You know body language. You know movements and you're able to unpack different personalities easy. Just like when there's a kid, say if I get a new kid and he's a bad kid, and I'll be like, okay, I'm gonna his ass. I'm gonna get his ass good. We gonna good. I'll be happy because the kid who don't listen and I'm gonna get more out of my other kids by with him. I'm gonna make an example out of him, and then I'm through him. I'm gonna check the rest of my class, and they're gonna act better, and then he's gonna want to follow suit to get with the group like that. Like, come on, that's the psychology. And then you think when I get off the clock and I do with chicks, oh, now I'm off of work. No, I'm using the same strategies. It's
Yeah.
psychology. Let me just give 3 examples. We got validation kid, the kid who wants you to, yes, yes, yes. Then we got the one who knows everything. Then we got the one who wants the attention. I'm a dance and do little,
Mhm.
it's real life. We got the attention who sit on the sink and want the validation. Same thing, bro. We got the followers, the ones who are a part of a clique but never can lead a clique of themselves. It's the same exact. The only difference between teaching and macking is that's the only difference. You're doing the same thing. So you send your kids to work and oh, hey, I'm going to work. Hey, honey. And she's fucking tired of your ass. Y'all not having sex no more. And then she takes a little Billy to this guy. What do you think happens? So what happens then? And then guess what? On Thursday, I'm in the Lexus. She's sold already. That's all it takes. It's bait. Okay, so look, prime example. When I go out of town, like when I was in the Philippines, right? What's this? International King. This is my shirt. This is a passport with my face on it. The back of it says AFI Kingdom. So I'm walking around. Who is this guy with his merchandise of himself? It's already about me. You set it up that way. I can tell her whatever I want after that. I tell her I'm a travel vlogger, I'm a movie star, I'm a rapper. I might throw on some chains. If I throw on some chains with this shirt, I'm a rapper automatically. See how quick you can just do it? This right here, it means I'm a travel vlogger. Then watch this. Now, if I were to put some chains on, rapper now, wardrobe change, just that fast, right?
So do you use the different ways you dress to throw them off balance, if you will? Because you catch them off guard usually, because they just expect you to be some slob. So they come to school with the guard down. Maybe they're not as pretty as they or done up as they want to be, and then they catch you like, oh shit, like this mother.
You know what, and how we talk about detail and stuff. I will notice when I introduce myself to a woman, married or not, she will start to dress better. What does that tell me? She's dressing for me. I got her validation and her attention, but now she wants it back. And since I notice, I don't give it back. Not right away. So look, let me give you a prime example. So I'll notice that the woman is dressing up for me, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. On Friday, I said, oh, you've been looking nice this week. Make her wait the week for the compliment. Even though I noticed it every time. Seen her on Monday, wore the tight jeans. Tuesday, oh, now she put jeans and the heels on. Oh, she really wants me now. Wednesday, so she went from jeans to jeans and heels to jeans, heels, and the tank top. Like, you got to understand just how if I understand the game, just this, because I've been doing it. So on Thursday, she coming with the dress now. You know what? Let me go ahead and give her this validation, because you got to know when to give it to them, because they'll give up and stop. You got to be known. You have to know. You got to know when to do it, because they'll give up after a while. So you got to be like, okay, it's time. Hey, Maria, how you doing? Good morning. You see how I changed my voice and everything? This is game, guys. You see that? Code switch. Boom. I can go from that to see. Hey, Maria. Hi. Hey, Maria. Hey, Maria, come here. Can I talk to you? You see how I did that? I'm doing it in a way that she doesn't know if it's good or bad. This is on purpose. Hey, Maria. You see concern in my face? Not just, hey, Maria. Hey, hi. No. Hey, Maria, could you come talk to me for a minute? Oh, yeah, Mr. C, what's up? I've been meaning to tell you, I just been so busy. Insert purpose over you. You see how I just did that so fast? Like, I noticed you, but I'm still on my. See, you got to learn to talk to it. See, now you got me heating up now. I didn't even mean to do that. You got to learn to talk. You got to learn the language of women, bro. Women don't talk the same language as we do. We talk a whole different language. And that's the problem. You expect women to understand our language. They got their own language. Just how there's Japanese, there's Spanish, there's fucking French, there's Womenese. It's a language, bro. So, oh, hey. Yeah, Maria. You see how I didn't say what I'm about to say? You see the stop? Suspense. I'm trying to show you, brothers, that everything is intentional. If I just play the movie, it doesn't seem intentional. You'll just see me walking to the girl and no. So she's like, dum, 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 good, bad. Oh, I just been, so busy and so stressed out, work with, boom, just that. So busy, so stressed out. So busy, so stressed out. I use 5 keywords. Those 5 words, so big, been pretty busy, stressed out. So what does that do? It taps into her concern now. Why? What's wrong? Drawing her in. Guess what? I haven't gave her the validation still haven't gave it to her. I know she wants it. She's been trying to get my validation all week. I ain't gave it to her. She finally gets my attention, but she doesn't know what I want. Now I finally get her in my circumference and so I get her in my element, and then I make it about me. Just from that, I'm so not. Hey, come here. You look nice. Oh, I'm so stressed. I work. why? Oh, this and that. Oh, you just need to, just get you some rest and, maybe I can buy you some coffee. Oh, now I'm getting lunches now. Look, this all happens before I give the validation. She ain't got the compliment yet. This is fire game, man. I hope you guys is writing some of this down.
Go ahead.
I'm so now she's she's look. Oh yeah. Oh, I feel so bad for you, husband, because now I got your wife. She touching my hands and shit now. Once you do this, it'll be off. So why you touching me? I'm not gonna say it to her. Why you touching me? But I'm like, oh, level up. Just shit. If I want to get close to a teacher at work, I drop an F-bomb. If they respond to it, got them. Either they gonna defend it or they gonna join it. If I be like, man, these kids get on my nerves, I know, got them. Now we passed professional. Now we went out of professional mode into personal mode. One word. So yeah. Oh yeah. I'm so stressed. So now, I want to bring you some coffee. Oh yeah, because I've been meaning to tell you that. Yeah, you've been looking real nice this week. Look how long I drawn that. So what's that doing now? She knows she has to work for it. She got to work for my validation. She just can't come and wear a dress and know I'm gonna be like, ooh yeah, baby. No. She has to. So she knows that she has to look nice and be submissive and off the gate. Just off the gate. You rinse and repeat. When I see a woman, it's like a scan. Like I can't. It's like I can't unsee.
Women scan men like that with quickness.
Mm-hmm.
Half a second, she's already sized you up.
It's just little stuff, just like this. I got this camera right here. So say I have a shit come over. I'm gonna put it upstairs around my bed. So what's that gonna do? She's gonna think I was shooting some type of porno or something. I'm setting up her emotions. I set up her emotions. I want her to think I had another woman. And then guess what? I'm gonna make her feel stupid and childish for thinking that. You see, I just with her emotions up. Hot cold, just that fast. So you just think nothing of it. Oh, why you got your camera right there? Oh, my bad. Here, let me move it. See, you fucked up. I fucked her up. She gonna think, oh, he was doing some shit last night. So then I'm gonna downplay her to make her feel stupid. Like, damn, I mean, it's a camera. Like, I travel a lot. What the fuck is wrong with you? So now I made her feel stupid for thinking this is fire game, bro. I set the camera up for her to think that I was doing some shit with another one. But the thing is, I thought this whole process through in like 30 seconds that I was going to do this. So now she feels stupid for thinking because she thought some shit, said some shit, and I reacted to her in a dismissive way. Now she feels stupid. Now she don't want to question me no more. I got like 3 weeks of results from just putting the camera on my bed. Because you know why? Because I have intent. It's like, I want to get there. How do I get there? Let's figure this out. Doop. Okay, let's go. I don't just do stuff and see what happens.
As long as you can make her feel a heavy emotion in one direction, whether it be happiness, making a girl laugh is usually a very underrated piece of advice.
Let me tell you guys some more guys. You need to read books. Read Love Languages, bro, by Gary Chapman.
The 5 Love Languages?
Yeah.
That's a good book, too.
Because that is like a cheat code. So if you're not familiar with Gary Chapman in the Love Languages, okay? Now there's 5 love languages. Words of affirmation, physical touch, receiving gifts, quality time, and acts of service. So you gotta know. So if I'm dealing with a girl and she likes the gifts and shit, and I like personal touch, either we gonna adapt or we not gonna get along. Because my version of love isn't her version of love. See, people up because you're giving what you want. So if if you're a gift buyer, you're buying gifts, but she don't give a fuck about that, bro. You ever wonder why you're doing all the you're buying her shoes, you're buying her purses, you're doing this, you're doing that, and she's not sucking your dick at night because you're not speaking her language, fool. She wants the time. She don't care about that. You gotta learn to speak her love language. I haven't even got to the good part. That's the cold part. So let me tell you the good part. So out of all those things, right? So let's say physical touch. Each love language is conflicted with a negative insecurity. I feel like I should be getting paid right now. I'm just casually telling you shit that can change your life right now. I hope you cats understand this. So let's say words of affirmation. So what does that tell me? It means that I'm dealing with a woman who wasn't validated that much. So she yearns from a man. She needs it from me. So we're going on a level where you're just looking at it like, oh, okay, she likes words of affirmation. So let me just tell her she's beautiful. Mm-hmm. No, now you know the key to her. You use it as a weapon, fool. That don't mean you just do it because you know how to do it. If she needs words of affirmation, then that tells me that she lacks that. And since I'm her companion or her man, she's looking for me to get it from. Now, it's my job to understand when, why, and how to give it to her. So I know her insecurities without her telling me. And so by the time later on she tells me, oh, my mother and dad never really, they were together, but they never loved each other. They never kissed. Oh, how come I knew this already 5 months ago when I met you before you told me? Because I know if she likes quality time. So what's that mean? So if her kryptonite is quality time, see, guys think, okay, well, let me give it to her so she's happy. You don't give it to her.
You weaponize that.
Yeah, you have the answers, but you're not giving the test right. So since she likes quality time so much, that means that she wasn't getting into it. That means that she has a fear of being alone. You gotta know this, man. Women tell you the shit. You just don't understand the shit because you want to have sex with her so bad. They give you all the clues, but you sex. Is it gonna get me sex? Yeah, you can get the sex, but you're missing out on the whole. You can get the sex or you can get the soul. You can get the sex or you can get the soul. Which one you want? If you have the soul, do you think you can get the sex or no? No, you can get everything.